Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be installing and trying out KDE Neon 6.0 User Edition. First, I'm gonna make the VM, and I'm gonna name it KDE Neon 6.0 User Edition. That's enough. And I have to enable 3D acceleration. This is the startup screen. Oh, actually, this is the startup screen. Why is it a blank screen? Let me see. Oh, I thought it was. Finally it works. I thought it was stuck in a black screen. Oh, actually, this is the startup screen. I thought it was those two before. Oh, I'm sorry if the VM lags because the VM only has 2 GB of RAM and my laptop only has 8 GB of RAM, but the usable one is only 6 GB. That's why it's lagging. So now I'm gonna install the KDE Neon. If I'm not wrong, this is the first time I'm using this OS, but I'm not sure, I forgot. Can I please stop having a welcome center? Okay, so now I'm gonna pause the VM. I'm gonna pause the recording so that I'm not gonna make you bored. So now the installation has been finished, and now I'm gonna restart the VM. So I'm gonna full screen the VM while waiting for it to finish installing. Finish restarting. And I think the VM froze. If the VM froze. Okay, never mind, it didn't. And before I do anything else, I think I'm gonna upgrade the VM to the most I can. I'm gonna shut down the VM. Why is it not working? Okay, then I'll have to shut down from the virtual box, which also doesn't work. So I'll have to force shut down the VM. About 3.1 GB of RAM. And I'm gonna change the storage to SSD, and that should help it to make it faster. I'm gonna full screen the VM again. Okay, now the VM has restarted and it should perform better. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do is resize the display. Okay, so I'm done resizing it. I think first I'm gonna show you the apps. Starting from development. For development we have KDE and user feedback console. For graphics we have GWEN viewer and OKULAR. I'm not sure how to read that actually. I'm sorry if it's wrong. For the internet we have internet apps we have Firefox web browser, KDE Connect, KDE Connect SMS and KRDP. For multimedia we have PLC Media Player. For Office we have OKULAR. I have no idea how to read that like before. For settings we obviously have system settings. For system we have Crash Process Viewer, Discover, Dolphin, Info Center, Console, K Wallet Manager, Menu Editor, System Monitor, and for the utilities we have Art, Emoji Selector, Kate, Spectacle, Welcome Center, and for the help we have nothing I think. First I'm gonna try Firefox as usual, and this is so slow. I think even slower than Windows 7 on 2 GB of RAM on a VM. So I think this is the slowest VM I've ever encountered. So obviously it's gonna work because this is the latest version, so I'm gonna try what is it is Firefox 129, which is according to this one is the latest one, which is actually correct. So now I am gonna try the Office app, which is literally document viewer. And can I make a document? No, I cannot. Okay, so next up I'm gonna try the themes. If I can close this one first. Okay, finally I can. This time, I'm gonna open system settings, which is also slow. And since I cannot load settings, I'm gonna try this one. Okay, there you go, finally it works. Since there's no themes in there, I'm gonna try the settings again, if it works. This time it also doesn't work. I'm gonna try the app center thing. If I can close the settings app, it's not working. Okay, finally. Wait, no, that's the app center. Okay. Okay, finally, there you go. I can close it. I'm gonna try the. What's it called again? Discover, I think. Oh yeah, it's Discover. If it also works this time. Okay, finally it works. I am gonna try the home. Even scrolling on 3 GB of RAM is slow. Maybe I'm gonna try what the updates are, which is also slow. So because my laptop cannot run the VM with 4 GB of RAM, unfortunately, I have to use 2 or 3 GB of RAM. So I think because of that, that's it for today. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I don't think you should try using KDE Neon on 3 GB of RAM. I think I've tried it before on 4 GB of RAM. I think that's the minimum I recommend. Because if not, you're gonna do this is gonna happen. It's gonna be so extremely slow. Okay, so now because of that, I'm gonna finish this video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye.